Your success will be their ultimate karma. You are stepping into a era of success and victory. All the hard work that you have been doing in the past 6 years are going to pay off. Some people are not going to be happy about this. They were betting on your downfall. They were betting on your failures. Some of these individuals could be in the same line of work as you. For some of you, these individuals just wanted you not to succeed. Jealous of your raw power, your talent, your skill, your mastery. But what they didn't understand is that you retain a certain balance, a balance of having inner peace. And though you knew that these individuals wanted you to fail, you alchemized whatever they sent your way. You didn't give up. And you know what? It must have been hard at times. You may have wanted to actually give up, but it's almost as if you knew intuitively that your future self or spirit is saying that if you give up, your future self will be extremely disappointed. You'll be playing into the hands of those that wanted you to fail. So you alchemized whatever they sent to you, and you turned your pain into purpose. You poured into yourself. You poured into your healing. You poured into your goals, into your learning. You mastered yourself. You became more stable mentally. You became more physically strong, which enabled you to go out there and seize opportunities and create new realities for yourself. And you're stepping into a time whereby you are going to see your hard work pay off. You're going to start making more money, making more investments into yourself. For some of you, into properties. Some of you are going to get a better paid job, which allows you to balance out your home life and your working life. You'll feel more happier. These people will feel unhappy about the self-love that you will be exuding, about the love that you are going to be attracting. Some of you are going to get into a new relationship. They didn't want this for you. You're going to be connecting with a lot of suitors. Like, you're going to have a lot of people trying to hit on you, hit you up, message you, call you, move towards you. People are going to want to collaborate with you in different groups, clubs, or organizations. Your new way of independence, excuse me, is going to be very appealing. Your ideas are going to be turned into reality. Even you're going to be shocked about the many blessings that these projects and ideas will gain you. These people are going to be shocked. Some of these people, excuse me, may want to come back in. They may want to collaborate, reunite with you. Remember me? Yeah, I remember you. You didn't believe in me. Some of you may say that, some of you may not. I just feel like it could be a case of you may refuse to connect with these types of people because they were part of the problem. You know, they were trying to isolate you from your true power, from opportunities, from love. But what they're going to realize is that just because they didn't invest in you doesn't mean that you did not invest in you. If anything, it made you fight harder for yourself. Or spirit is urging you that just because people are not cheering you on does not mean you cannot become your own cheerleader. What they didn't understand was that they are dealing with a powerhouse, a true champion. You know, your work ethic is unmatched and it will not go unnoticed. You worked in silence whilst these individuals thought that they put an end to your career, to your love life, to any future success. So while they were investing in your downfall, Spirit was judging them. And Spirit made sure, or will make sure, that the right people are connected with you. Because what they don't understand is that in the background, you're doing your healing work privately. You're alchemizing everything that they're sending your way. And they thought that they had beat you. What they don't understand is you compete with yourself. So when they find out about your new love, your new job that you love, they'll be busy waiting to see more downfalls appear in your life. Meanwhile, in the background, you're going to be loving your new life. They try to intervene in certain situations with the Three of Cups. Maybe they try to be third parties in your situations, in regards to friendships, in regards to business connections, in regards to romantic connections. Them days are over. Because instead of then your downfall, they're going to witness your success. Some of you are going to achieve worldly fame for your skills and your talents. And Spirit is going to make sure that these individuals, these same individuals that doubted you, that wanted you to fail, that were part of any type of slow moving advances by their blockages, sabotaging, will get to witness how successful you truly are. We'll get to witness how people are praising you for your skills and your talents. They're going to witness that you are recognized for your skills and your talents. You see, these individuals knew all along, and they know that you are a big deal. They were just betting on you not knowing that you are a big deal. Because they secretly fear that where you could go, they will never be able to go. And they're right in that regard. Yeah, they got that right. Because you're on your way to abundance, financial abundance, but more inner abundance. What they don't understand is that every time they try to hurt you, they were only hurting themselves. They made you grow stronger spiritually. They made your vision more sharper on what it is that is important. And you're going to go far. And these individuals are going to witness it, and it's going to be their biggest regret for not supporting you and for trying to destroy you. This is going to be their ultimate karma, your success. They're going to be reminded that you are indeed a big deal. And they're going to be reminded that they should have never tried to play in your energy and block your destiny. Because all that effort that they poured into in regard to trying to block and sabotage and gatekeep, it will land on their doorstep. So they're going to receive block opportunities. Cycles are going to start closing out for them, with their friends, with their connections, in their love life, and financially. Whilst you gain everything they didn't want you to have, and so much more. Keep shining, butterflies. Love you.